By the end of the video, we'll know about no gym needed. Bodyweight leg workout for beginners. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our exciting fitness channel. Today, we're diving into a world of possibilities where you don't need a gym to transform your legs. Yes, you heard it right. We've got a bodyweight leg workout that's perfect for beginners. Our workout kicks off with a classic move, the squat. Now, there are different types of squats, and we start with the bodyweight squat. This move is not only simple, but also effective in strengthening your legs and glutes. Next up is the lunge. A lunge is a great exercise to target those quads, while also working on your balance and stability. We recommend alternating between forward and reverse lunges to get a well-rounded leg workout. After that, we move on to the push-up, one of the most versatile exercises out there. Push-ups target your arms, chest, triceps, and abs, all while keeping your entire body engaged. Now comes the fun part, step-ups. This exercise involves stepping up onto an elevated surface, like a bench or chair, and back down again. It's an excellent way to challenge your lower body muscles and improve your stability. Finally, we end our workout with calf raises to target those hard-to-reach muscles at the back of your lower legs. Calf raises can be performed on stairs for an extra challenge, or even against a wall for beginners who need additional support. Remember folks, consistency is key when it comes to achieving results in any fitness journey. So, give this bodyweight leg workout a try and feel free to share your experience with us in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts designed specifically for you. Until next time, fitness fans.